Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how you can cancel your ChatGPT plan subscription and stop them from charging you. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to cancel your ChatGPT plan subscription, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to click your account profile at the bottom left corner. And after that, I want you to click the settings option. And once you're here on your settings, next, I want you to go to your account section. And here on the account section, there it is guys. You will now see your current subscription plan on ChatGPT. So to cancel it, just click Manage. And then you will now see the cancel subscription option right here, so just go and click it. And then ChatGPT will ask you for confirmation if you really want to cancel your subscription. Just click this to confirm. And then after that, it's done. Congratulations, your subscription will now be cancelled. And don't worry guys, you won't lose your previous subscription privileges until it reaches the date of that subscription's deadline, so you can still use the features until then. And so that's just how you do it guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.